Hello friends, today we have iPhone 16 to replace the screen. Heat the screen according to the temperature. You are able to touch the screen easily. So now use the suction cup and try to use methyl alcohol or any glue softener as showing in the video. Now use the sharp tool and try to lift from the corners. Now unscrew these two flexes, one for LCD and another for proximity sensor. So we have to replace this proximity sensor from old screen to the new one as showing in the video. Give a little bit of heat which makes soften the glue underneath. Take your time and use the solution to pull it out. Now install this proximity sensor to the new screen as showing in the video. So now time to connect all the flex back to the motherboard. This is one of the easiest screen replacement all of the iPhones. Just test it before putting all the metal plates. Put the metal plates back to secure the connection. It's working all good as I tested. You can use the glue or adhesive to secure the screen. Do not forget bottom screw to secure the screen. and that is easily done. Please like, share and subscribe for support and more videos. Thank you.